Hello, have a good day. Hi, my name is Gemaline Santillan. I am 33 years old. I am a single mother with 3 children, 1 girl and 2 boys. The girl is 13 years old and the boys is 10 and 7 years old. I have work experience in Doha, Qatar for almost 4 years. I am all-around housemaid. I will clean, I will cook, I will wash the dishes, I will wash the clothes, and I will take care also the babies because my employer in Doha, Qatar, they have 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl. The girl is 5 years old and the boys is one 7 years old and one 1 years old. And also I am a good cooking, cleaning, wash the clothes, wash the dishes, and elderly caring the children. I want to work in Hong Kong because they have a good nature, good employer, good salary, and I want to give my children good future. And I want to support my family also here in the Philippines. So I hope to see you soon and have a good day. Thank you so much.